Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Okay, so the title of today is Talking About Hobbies. So let me ask you, what does hobbies mean? Of course, yes, things that you love to do in your free time. Good. So let's just go for the learning outcomes and simply these are things you're supposed to know by the session. So let me read them for you. Well, by the end of the session, you will be able to, number 1, talk about different hobbies. 2, use present simple tense to describe hobbies. 3, use adjectives to describe your hobbies as well. Good. So yeah, let's jump into the warm-up activity. And here I have a small question for you. What do you see in these pictures? What can you see? Exactly, yes. A man playing the piano, a man swimming, a woman reading a book. Thank you. Yeah. So, okay. Let's just go and watch a video for 3 times, and after coming back, we will answer some questions. Well, please, before going, I need you to read the questions. So, number 1, what is Lena's hobbies? 2, what does Ahmed enjoy? 3, why does Ahmed practice a lot? Yes, right now, please go and watch the video for 3 times and then come back.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting. I paint pictures of nature. What about you?
I enjoy playing chess. It's a fun game.
That sounds interesting. Is it hard?
A little, but I practice a lot. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting. I paint pictures of nature. What about you?
I enjoy playing chess. It's a fun game.
That sounds interesting. Is it hard?
A little, but I practice a lot. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting. I paint pictures of nature. What about you?
I enjoy playing chess. It's a fun game.
That sounds interesting. Is it hard?
A little, but I practice a lot.
Welcome back. So yeah, first question, what is Lena's hobby? Exactly, she loves painting. Good job. Well, question 2, what does Ahmed enjoy? Playing chess. Thank you. Question 3, why does Ahmed practice a lot? Of course, because it's a little bit hard, so he needs to get it more easier. That's why he practices a lot, so the game becomes easier for him. Thank you. Okay, now let's see you in the vocabulary part. Well, so let's learn some words about hobbies, different hobbies actually. So the first one is painting. Painting, we use colors to paint something. Painting, please repeat. Painting. Okay. 2, dancing. Yes. All right. 3, playing chess. Then collecting stamps. And stamps we can say like tawaba of the different countries. Stamps. Then we have photography, yeah, taking pictures. Well, then reading. Thank you. Playing the guitar. Cycling. Then we have gardening. Like to plant flowers and water them and so on. We have also swimming. We have baking, like to make cakes, cookies, and biscuits and so on. Well, we have also writing stories. Well, that's great. So let's go for the first practice. All you have to do is just match words with sentences. Okay. Number 1, making pictures with colors and brush. Painting, good job. Moving your body to music. Dancing. Taking pictures with a camera. Photography. Thank you. All right. Reading books for fun. Yes, reading. Cooking. Cakes and cookies. Baking. Good job. Riding a bike. Cycling. Growing plants and flowers. Gardening. Well, writing stories and poems. And poems means قصائد شعر. Well, writing stories. Well, a board game with kings and queens. Yeah, exactly. Playing chess. Thank you so much. And yeah, see you in the phonics part. So here in the phonics, let's learn some words with silent letters related to hobbies. And by silent, I mean we don't pronounce them, we don't say them. So first one, silent K. For example, the word knitting. 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 This is a hobby of making clothes with wool. Well, two, silent B. For example, as in climbing. 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 Hobby of climbing mountains. تسلق. Well, silent W as in writing. 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 Hobby of creating stories. Thank you. So yeah. Well, in the reading part, we have a small text. We have to read it and then answering some questions. So, hobbies are fun activities that people do in their free time. Some people enjoy painting or dancing, while others like playing chess or collecting stamps. Hobbies help people relax and learn new skills. Reading helps you learn new words, and playing chess makes you think. Dancing and cycling keep you active. Everyone should have a hobby to enjoy their time. Okay, great. So, first question, why are hobbies important? Yes, so you can enjoy your time. Thank you. Question two, what are two hobbies that keep you active? Exactly, dancing and cycling. Question three, how does playing just help your brain? Exactly, thank you. It makes you think more. Well, good job. All right, let's see you in the grammar. Alright, in the grammar part, we have to learn how to use present simple tense so we can speak about our hobbies. So, for example, I like dancing. I like dancing. Or she plays chess every day. So the question is, why don't I have S in the verb like after I? Like, why don't I say I likes dancing? Is it true? Yes, of course not. Because with he, she, it, we only add S or ES to the verb. Okay, if it comes after he, she, or it. While other subjects or pronouns, I, you, we, they, or any plural one, we add the verb as it is, like without any additions. Okay, another example is he enjoys painting. Okay, well, let's go for the second practice, and all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. So yes, number one, I painting. Like or likes, is it he or she or it? No? Yes, like. Thank you, without any additions. Two, she enjoys, thank you, playing chess. Okay. Question three, they collect stamps. My friend books every night. And my friend, this is singular person, one person, right? Yes, so we're going to add S to the verb. So my friend reads books every night. Reads. Well, question five. We, like group of people, love dancing. Thank you. Ahmed, the guitar. Ahmed is he, so plays. Good job. Plays the guitar. Seven. You, every summer. Swim. Thank you. Okay. And now in the speaking part, I just need you to speak about your hobby. So, first thing, you have to choose a hobby and describe it using full sentences. Of course, using the present simple grammar and the new vocab. Well, so for example, you would say, my hobby is painting. I paint with different colors. So try to add more details while speaking about your hobby, all right? So let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yes, that's awesome. And this marks the end of our session for today. Thank you for attending. See you next session, inshallah. Don't forget your homework. Bye.